Hi everyone, Damian from Vanport Mechanical and Fire Sprinkler. Today we're going to talk about a component in your air conditioner heat pump, which is called the air compressor. This is right here is what the compressor looks like. It actually got pulled out of the unit about a couple days ago. So the compressor is the heart of your unit. It pumps all the refrigerant through and makes sure that it circulates through your system. This compressor right here is a failed compressor. It actually could have been saved because of two things. One, this right here, that's called a capacitor. The capacitor actually gives extra power to the compressor so that way it's not overworked, and the filter. The filter was plugged up and the capacitor was under tolerance, which made the compressor work extra harder, and it decreased the life and it eventually went out, so we had to change it. And preventive maintenance could have been the key to saving this compressor. So $130 compared to $1,500 right here, that's a big difference. So maintenance is important. So give us a call at Vanport Mechanical and Fire Sprinklers, or go online and look us up on the web, and you can schedule through the website. I hope this helps you out, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.